guys, welcome back. It's your very own Lavish doll here, TT, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be styling my braids with my very own Lavish Treasure hairpins, just so you guys can see how I will style it. Depending on how your hair is styled, you can switch it up and add some nice hair accessories. So as you can see, this is the top of my head. I'm gonna take, you see this side right here, I have these like two braids. I'm gonna actually add some hair bows to that here. So I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna clamp that section right there. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is what the hair bow, the longer version, looks like. And now I'm gonna take the hairpin, and right where this cross section is, I am going to pin that pin right there in the middle, and I'm gonna let it sit just like that right there. And I'm gonna take the smaller hair bows that I have, and I'm gonna add that to these two pieces right here. So I'm gonna do the other side same way. Now this hair bow, I did it without rhinestones, just so you guys can kind of see, like, if you want to do a rhinestone look. If you don't want to do a rhinestone look, you can just go plain with it, but still cutesy. So again, taking that cross section, taking those two braids, and I'm gonna pin it right there at the top of that, and you can just let it hang. Even like this alone is cute, but of course, you know, we got to add our Lavish Treasure hairpin, and we have our pin, and we're gonna do the opposite side. And I'm gonna go inward from the back just so that you guys can see. And then I'm gonna take the smaller hair bow, and we're gonna pin this side right here, and we can move it up just like that, period. So you guys, this is the completed look of how I'm styling my braids with my very own hairpins and hair bows. Like I said, if you want to switch it up and do a full rhinestone side, you can do that for both sides. Or if you want to keep it still elegant and simple, but with a little bit of razzle dazzle, you can do this side as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, stay tuned for the official drop, because y'all, these my babies right here. These are fire. Like, come on, like, period. Copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10. Get you some, because baby, my girls that love the hair accessories, I want to see y'all rocking one. Okay, so go follow me on my business page. I'm gonna leave that name right here for you guys. Also, stay tuned for the official drop, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Mwah.